Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 1st, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the binary. Yes, in Japanese they call it Takuzu. Yes. And this one will be number 7023. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O. And then between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 1s in the second row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have a double 1 here, here no, there no. Double 1 here no, there no. And let me see, double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. In 2 minutes we solve this binary puzzle. Well, very quick to solve. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.